What's up guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm here to give you a long-term review and gaming test of Vivo X90 after 1.5 years of releasing. As well as I will let you know whether you should buy this phone or not, and if yes, then at what price will you get the phone. In addition, I will let you know how is the performance and camera quality of the device. So let's get started. It was released in November 2022 and it was the flagship killer phone at the time, which comes with MediaTek Dimensity 9200 octa-core processor, which is based on 4nm, and Mali G715 GPU, which is very optimized for gaming, and as well as there is an additional processing chip called V2 to enhance the photography and gaming. The MediaTek Dimensity 9200 processor is much better than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which controls the heat and makes our gaming smoother. Talking about its build quality, the phone has Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front and eco leather on the backside, which makes the phone more premium. It feels good in hand and gives the premium feels, and it doesn't contain any kind of fingerprints on the backside. Looks wise, it exactly looks like the X90 Pro, and it's really hard to find out whether it is X90 or X90 Pro. There is no such differences between these two phones. The only cons of this device is that it doesn't have IP68 rating, and even it does not have wireless charging system. Display wise, it has 6.78-inch AMOLED Curved Full HD Plus display with 120Hz of refresh rate, and it supports HDR10 Plus, which makes our watching experience more better. While using the device, it feels super smooth due to its 120Hz refresh rate. While watching the content on the device, it provides the good color balance and deep black due to the cause of HDR10 Plus support. Display wise, there is no any complaint and issue. It has in-display fingerprint sensor, which is very fast and accurate. As you can see here, this device has FunTouch OS 14 with Android 14. It has 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM, which comes with UFS 4.0, and even we can extend the RAM up to 8GB. And there is another variant too with 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM. Talking about the FunTouch OS, it is not fully optimized, but it is okay to use. As we know, it comes with a lot of bloatware apps which you never gonna like, and some of them can be uninstalled and some of them need to be disabled from the setting because you won't have any kind of uninstall option. While using the device, it feels smooth and faster, as well as it can handle the multiple tasks smoothly. Now let's talk about its camera section. It has triple camera setup on the back side, whereas the Vivo X90 Pro has quad camera. The primary camera 50 megapixel with aperture f1.8, and it does support OIS for stable video recording. The secondary camera 12 megapixel with aperture f2.0 of 50mm telephoto lens, which is mainly used to capture awesome portrait photo. The 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera with aperture f2.0. The video from rear camera can record up to 4K at 60 fps. In front, there is 32 megapixel camera with aperture f2.5, and it can record the video up to 1080p 60 fps only, which is comparatively low at this price range. Camera department of this device is really awesome, and Vivo X series is always popular for camera. Right now you can see the cinematic video captured by this phone at low light, and still it looks great. The edge detection, bokeh effect are well managed. Normal videos captured by this phone are also good and have well color balanced and dynamic range. Now look at some portrait photos. You will notice that the quality of these images are really good, and edge detection, dynamic range are also well managed. The image looks like captured by DSLR camera. Here are some other images too. If you talk about its Antutu score and Geekbench result, it gives the score of 15 lakh, which is comparatively higher than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. And if we check the result of Geekbench, it shows the score of 1892 in single core and 4834 in multi-core. If you see the comparison, it is higher than S23 Ultra in single core, but slightly lower than the S23 in multi-core. But I don't believe in these numbers which we get from Antutu and Geekbench result. The real test will begin with hardcore gaming, so let's try some gaming test here. First of all, let's try Call of Duty Mobile. As you can see here, it supports the Ultra FPS at low and medium graphics, and there is an option to adjust the FPS up to 120. And we can play games at very high graphics with max FPS. So now let's do some gaming for a while.
Changing mag! Cover me!
Circle collapse imminent. Get to
While playing COD mobile in 120 FPS, I haven't been noticing any kind of lags and FPS drop. And even the device is not getting too hot at this time. The touch responses is good, game is working very smoothly.
Cover me, reloading! The airdrop is coming.
Now let's try PUBG Mobile. You can play PUBG in smooth graphics with 90 FPS, Ultra HDR graphics with Ultra FPS and HDR graphics with Extreme FPS. Now let's play some games in smooth graphics with 90 FPS to check the performance of the device. I have been playing games for a while, but I cannot notice any issue on the device. As you can see here, gaming experience is very smooth, gyro is working very well, FPS is well managed and touch responses are too good.
Marked a location.
Blue team victory!
So now I have played COD Mobile and PUBG Mobile for some times and I did not find any issue. The device handles the temperature and FPS in balanced way, so the performance of this device is awesome and no any complaint regarding lags and FPS drops. Hence the Dimensity 9200 chipset is fully optimized, and with the combination of V2 chip, it makes our gaming experience is to next level. You cannot notice lags and FPS drops and heating issue while playing heavy games like COD Mobile and PUBG Mobile. Finally, the conclusion is yes, you can really have this phone at present day. The device has 4810 mAh battery with 120 watt flash charging support, which charged the 50% in 8 minutes as per the company's statement, but I never get that. Although it has 4810 mAh battery, it is quite enough for one day due to its Dimensity 9200 processor, which is very power efficient. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to press the like button and as well as subscribe my channel for more interesting content. And soon I'm making another video on the full review of OnePlus 11. So keep supporting. Thanks for watching.